everyone. How are you all? Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of standard 1. Right now we are going to learn subject maths. What we are going to do in maths today? Today we are going to make revision. Who am I? I am Asma ma'am, your maths teacher. Let's begin the class with a very good thought. Thought for the day is, I will win. Not immediately, but definitely. I will win. Not immediately, but definitely. So, what we are going to learn today? Today's learning objectives are, as you all know my dear students, that we have completed chapter number 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. So now we will make revision of all these 4 chapters. So today we will start our revision with chapter number 1. What we will make revise? Match the numbers, numbers after, before and between. Numbers after, before and between. Ring the bigger number, ring the smaller number. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. First exercise, match the numbers with their name. Which number is this? 1, 7, 17. Where is 17 in this column? Where it is? Observe it properly. Look, here it is. SEVENTEEN, 17. Match it. Which number is this? 8. Find it out here in this column. Where is number 8? Look, this is number 8. EIGHT, 8. Number 8, spelling of 8. Match it. Number 11, where it is? On the top of the column. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. What next? Look, this is 4. FOUR, 4. FOUR, 4. Now what? Imagine which number will come now? Which number ma'am is going to match? 2. Number 2, match it with the spelling. TWO, 2. What is the spelling of 2? TWO, 2. Now, 16. 1, 6, 16. SIXTEEN, 16. SIXTEEN, 16. What's next? Yes, 5. What is the spelling of 5? FIVE, 5. FIVE, 5. Next, number 9. Find out number 9 in the column. N-I-N-E, 9. We have to match number 9 with the spelling. N-I-N-E, 9. Next is 14. What is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. So this was the revision of match the number with number names. Understand? Now number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Completed? Look, what is this? Right after numbers. What is the meaning of after numbers? Have you remembered that I told you that on a given number line or in the numbers, the number just comes after the given number is called after number. This is number 35. Which number will come after 35? What should you do? Start counting from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now which number will come? 36. This is 48. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And now which number will come? 49. 26. After 26, which number will come? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. Have you observed? These all are called after numbers. Right before numbers. What is the meaning of before numbers? What do you understand by before numbers? So on the number line, whenever we write numbers, you have to move on the left side, or you have to stop just before the given number. Okay? So as this is 23, which number will come before 23? Let's see. 21, 22 and 23. So which number comes just before 23? It's number 22. 48. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So which number comes before 48? Have you heard properly? It is 47. Next is number 27. So which number will come just before 27? Start counting from 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Which number goes before 27? Yes, it is 26. See, before 23 there comes 22. Before 48 there comes 47. Before 27 there comes 26. Now this is 39. Which number will comes just before 39? So as this is the number 39, so we have to start counting of line of 3 starting from 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We have to stop at 39. So which number just comes before 39? Look, it is number 38. This is number 4040. So what do you say? Which number comes just before 40? Okay. This is 40. So which line should we count? We have to count the line of 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Which number comes just before 40? What I have said just now? What I have said? 39. This is number 45. Okay. Now which number will comes just before 45? So which line should I count? I should count the line of 41. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I have to stop at 45. Which number will comes just before 45? It is 44. So before 39 there comes 38. Before 40 there comes 39. Before 45 there comes 44. Right between numbers. So as I have told you that whenever we are going to count between numbers, what should we do? First of all, we should count after number of this number and before number of this. Then we will get between number. After 35, which number will come? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Which number will come? 36. And before 37, which number will come? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So before 37, there comes 36. So whenever we want to find out between numbers, we have to first find out after number of these as well as before number of these. And we will get between number. After 29, there will come 30, and before 31 there comes 30. So we can say that 30 is the between number of 29 and 31. Okay. Now this is 42. This is 44. So what should I do now? Let's start counting from 41. 41, 42, 43. I get the number 43. And if I want the before number of 44, 44, 41, 42, 43 and 44. So I get the before number of 44 is 43. After number of 42 is 43. So we can say that 43 is the between number of 42 and 44. Look, this is number 20. 22. Now, if I have the numbers 20 and 22, which number will come between these two numbers? After 20, we have started line of 21. So after 20, I can say that comes 21. And before 22, 21 and 22. So we can say that 21 is the between number of 20 and 22. Now we have the number 48 and number 50. Now what should I do? I should start counting from number 41. 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Look, after 49 there comes 48, there comes 49. And again we have the number 50. 49 after 50. So before 50 there comes 49. After 48 there comes 49. So we can say that 49 is the between number of 48 and 50. Now look, tick the bigger number. What is this? Tick the bigger number. So what should we do? We should find out the bigger number out of the pair of given numbers and tick mark on it. Okay? This is number 8 and number 6. Which number is the bigger among these two numbers? Number 8. Tick mark. This is number 6 and this is number 2. Which number is the bigger? What do you say? Is it 2 or is it 6? What do you think? Yes, I said it is number 6. Tick mark on it. Number 10 and number 1. So which is the bigger number? Is it 1? Is it 10? Yes, it is 10. This is number 9 and number 5. What do you say, my dear students? Which is the bigger number? Yes, it is 9. Number 4 and number 9. Now, among these two numbers, which is the bigger number? Is it 4? Is it 9? Where should I tick mark? Should I make tick mark on 4? No. It's number 9. This is 5. This is 7. What do you say? Which is the bigger number? Yes, it is 7. Number 2 and number 3. Among these two numbers, which is the bigger number? Yes, it is 3. Tick mark. Number 6 and number 3. Among these two numbers, which is the bigger number? Is it 3? No, it is 6. Okay. Now look. What is this? This is tick the smaller number. Tick the smaller number means we have to make tick mark among this pair of numbers. Okay. This is number 3 and this is number 5. Which is the smaller among these two numbers? 1, 2 and 3. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the smaller? Which is less in numbers? Yes, it is number 3. Tick mark. Number 4 and number 1. So, which is the less in numbers? Is it 4 or 1? Observe the pattern properly. Look, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is only 1. So, which is the smaller among these two numbers? Yes, it is 1. This is number 2. This is number 9. Look at the numbers properly. 1 and 2. These are in the numbers of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Which are more and which are less? So this is the more in numbers and this is less in numbers. So which is the smaller number? 2. This is 8. This is 6. So which is smaller in size? Which are less in numbers? Is it 8 or 6? What do you say? Yes, it is 6. Am I right? So between 8 and 6, 6 is the smaller number. Okay. Arrange in ascending order. Have you remembered this? How to arrange the numbers in ascending order? If we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order, what should we do? We should arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. What should we do? We should arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Look, this is number 19, 18, 17 and 20. And if I want to arrange these numbers in ascending order, what should I do? First of all, I should write number 17, then 18, after that 19, and then number 20. 17, 18, 19 and 20. Look, I have arranged this number as per ascending order. First of all smallest, then bigger, bigger, and after that biggest. 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is 46, 44, 47, 45. Now I want to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So which number should I take first? First I should take 44, then 45, then 46, and at last 47. Look, I want to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So first of all, I have to take the smallest among these given numbers, which is 44. Then bigger number, after that bigger of that number, and at last I have to arrange the biggest among all the given numbers. 39, 37, 38 and 40. 39, 37, 38 and 40. Observe all the given numbers. Which is the smallest among all these given numbers? What do you say? Yes, it is number 37. So first of all I have to write 37, then I have to write 38, then 39, and at last which number should I write? Yes, I should write number 40 at last. Look, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So I have arranged these numbers as ascending order. I repeat, I have arranged this number in ascending order, smallest to biggest. Okay? Now look, arrange the numbers in descending order. What is the meaning of this descending order? Do you remember? I have explained already it. Now I am going to revise it. So if I want to arrange the numbers in descending order, I have to start arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. What should I do? I have to start arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Look, this is 23, 24, 25 and 22, and I want to arrange these numbers in descending order. So what should I do? First of all, I have to write number 25, then 24, after that 23, and at last the smallest among all the given numbers, which is number 22. Look, 25, 24, 23 and 22. The biggest number among all the given number and the smallest number among all the given numbers. Okay? Wants to see more? Let's see. This is number 28, 30, 31, 29. Which is the biggest among all? What we are doing right now? We are doing the exercise of descending order. In descending order, we have to write the biggest number among the given number first, which is 31, then 30, after that 29, and at last the smallest among all, 28. Look, 31, 30, 29 and 28. We have arranged this number as per descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay? This is a number 37, 36, 38 and 35. 37, 36, 38 and 35. And I am going to arrange these numbers as descending order. Then which number should I write first? Which is the greatest or biggest among all the given numbers? It is 38. So I have to write 38 first, then 37, then 36, and at last the smallest among all, 35. Look, 38, 37, 36 and 35. So this was the revision of chapter number 1, which we have already done in past. Okay, hope the chapter becomes clear and you make the chapter revise. Now this is the table of 4. As I told you every day, that each and every day you have to memorize one table. Today we will run table number 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are, what will come? Look, you have to repeat after me. Just wait. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are, yes, 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. Repeat after me. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. Now repeat again. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So this was the table of 4. So what we have learned today? First of all, we make revision of chapter number 1. After that, we have learned table number 4. Make practice it at your home, my dear students. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay happy. And don't trouble your mother. Bye-bye.